Hello students, in the last lecture we discussed the trigonometric equation, okay, the trigonometric equation and the solution of the trigonometric equation. Okay, in the solution of the trigonometric equation there are the two types of the solution. One is a principal solution and other is a general solution. Okay, in the last lecture we discussed the principal solution. Now in this lecture we see the general solution of the trigonometric equation. Now what is the solution of the trigonometric equation? It is the value of the variable which satisfy the trigonometric equation. It is the solution of the trigonometric equation. Here that means suppose we consider one equation. It is a sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, suppose here theta is a variable and it is a trigonometric equation, and the value of the variable, okay, here value of the variable sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then we know that the sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, therefore theta is equal to 30 degrees, that is the pi by 6. That means pi by 6 is a solution of this trigonometric equation. Okay, but in the last lecture we discussed the principal solution. Principal solution, it is the value of the variable, that is value of this theta in between 0 to 2 pi, and there are, we know, in 0 to 2 pi the value of theta for the sin theta is equal to 2. There are the two angles. Okay, here sin theta is a positive in the two quadrants. It is the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Okay, first quadrant it is obviously acute angle, so positive, and in the second quadrant, that means pi minus theta, it is sin pi minus theta is also positive. Okay, now see carefully, it is a sin theta, it is a positive value, therefore sin theta is positive for first quadrant and the second quadrant. It is a first quadrant theta here, and these are the principal solution of this equation. Therefore theta, it is a pi by 6 and pi minus pi by 6, that means 5 pi by 6 are the principal solution, because these two solutions lie in between 0 to 2 pi. But here it is a theta, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, that means sin pi by 6. Pi plus pi minus theta is also sin theta. Okay, here sin pi minus theta, it is sin theta, and also we know that sin 2 pi plus theta is also sin theta. Sin 2 pi plus theta, it is sin theta. Again sin 3 pi minus theta, 3 pi minus theta is also sin theta. Then sin 3 pi minus theta, then 4 pi plus theta, again 5 pi minus theta. Okay, 5 pi minus theta lie in the second quadrant. Here all of these are the solution of this sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. That means theta is equal to pi by 6, and then here sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, and that is, it is sin pi by 6. Okay, here we write sin pi by 6, and that is equal to sin pi minus pi by 6. Okay, is equal to sin, it is pi minus pi by 6, then 2 pi plus pi by 6, then sin 3 pi minus pi by 6, then sin 4 pi plus pi by 6, 5 pi minus pi by 6, again 6 pi plus pi by 6, 7 pi plus pi by 6. Now in this way it is a periodicity. Okay, here the solution of the trigonometric equation which generalized by using periodicity, it is called the general solution. And here theta is equal to pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6, 2 pi plus pi by 6, 3 pi minus pi by 6, 4 pi plus pi by 6, 5 pi minus pi by 6, like that in the periodicity. It is a general solution. Okay, these two, it is a principal solution. Now here we generalize, okay, by using the periodicity. Theta is equal to pi by 6, it is 5 by 6, it is 13 pi by 6, here it is 18 pi minus 1, that means 17 pi by 6, like that. It is a general solution of the trigonometric equation, and here we can find the general solution up to infinite points. Okay, for this equation sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, it is positive, so lie in the first quadrant and second quadrant. If it is a negative, then it is a lie in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay, here it is a general solution of the trigonometric equation. Okay, the solution of trigonometric equation which generalized by using the periodicity, it's called the general solution of trigonometric equation. Okay, here we take a simple expression sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. If it is a cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, or tan theta is equal to under root 3, or in the form of sec, cosec or cot. Okay, here first we see some theorems, that means some formulae for the general solution, that is a sin in terms of the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta is equal to some constant, cos theta is equal to some constant, or tan theta is equal to some constant. Okay, first we see the theorems of the general solution, that is the formula for the general solution. Now, theorem 3.1. Here, the general solution of sin theta is equal to sin alpha is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, where n belongs to z. Now here the solution of the trigonometric equation sin theta is equal to sin alpha, it is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Here the given equation, see carefully, given equation it is sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Here we want to find the solution of this trigonometric equation, and here theta is a variable, so the value of theta is the solution of this trigonometric equation. Here theta is equal to alpha, that means alpha is solution of this trigonometric equation. Okay, but here we know that it is sin theta is equal to sin alpha, and then it is sin alpha is equal to sin pi minus alpha by using the allied angle formula. Okay, allied angle formula, it is sin x is equal to sin pi minus x. Okay, allied angle formula. Here this formula we use in a last lecture for finding the principal solution, and here theta is equal to alpha and pi minus alpha, both are the solution, and that are the principal solutions. Okay, here that is alpha and pi minus alpha are solutions. Okay, here alpha and pi minus alpha, these are the two solutions. Here alpha and pi minus alpha, here such type of example we are already discussed in a last lecture, that is the principal solution. Now here we find the general solution of this trigonometric equation, sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Now here by using the periodicity, okay, see carefully, here the sin theta is positive. Okay, here sin is positive in first and third quadrant. Okay, here in the first quadrant it is an acute angle, or it is 2 pi plus theta, then 4 pi plus theta, then it is a 6 pi plus theta. By using the periodicity, see carefully here, sin theta is equal to sin alpha, because alpha is a solution. Okay, then this can be written as sin 2 pi plus alpha, okay, is equal to sin 4 pi plus alpha, okay, is equal to, here we can write sin 6 pi plus alpha is equal to up to 8 pi, 4 pi, 8 pi, then 10 pi, like that. Okay, all lies in a first quadrant. Now it is a pi minus alpha lies in second quadrant. Now see carefully. Also it is sin theta is equal to sin pi minus alpha, because alpha and pi minus alpha are the solutions. Therefore we can write here it is a sin alpha is equal to sin 2 pi plus alpha. Here alpha replace only pi minus alpha. Therefore this is sin, when alpha replace pi minus alpha, here we can write pi minus alpha, that means 2 pi and pi, it is a 3 pi. 3 pi minus alpha. Then sin 5 pi minus alpha, this alpha replaced by pi minus alpha, also equal to sin 7 pi minus alpha, and like that to dash. That means here theta is equal to alpha 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, 6 pi plus alpha here, and from this theta is equal to pi minus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, then 5 pi minus alpha, like that. That is theta is equal to pi, sorry it is alpha, okay, first we take alpha, it is alpha, then 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha up to dash dash, and theta is equal to here pi minus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, then 5 pi minus alpha up to dash dash. Is the solution by using the periodicity, and it is a general solution. Here this general solution we can write combinedly here. Therefore theta is equal to alpha, then pi minus alpha, 2 pi plus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, 5 pi minus alpha, and like that. That is in general. In general we can write theta is equal to 2n pi. So it is theta is equal to only n pi plus minus 1 to the power, theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Okay, see carefully. Theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. That means when n is even, it is a positive. When n is even, alpha is positive, and when n is odd, it is a negative. When n is odd, alpha is negative. And here it is a general solution of trigonometric equation where n belongs to z. See carefully this. It is the first theorem. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Now the second, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Now theorem 3.2. Okay, here the general solution of cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Okay, here it is a 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. Now process is same as a sin theta is equal to sin alpha. See carefully. The given equation, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Okay, that means theta is a solution, and the value of theta is equal to cos alpha. Therefore here theta is equal to alpha. Alpha is solution of trigonometric equation. Now we know that cos theta is equal to cos, it is minus, cos theta is equal to cos minus theta. Okay, negative angle formula. See carefully, here it is a, we know that cos theta is equal to cos alpha. That means cos of minus alpha. Okay, here negative angle formula, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos alpha is equal to cos of minus alpha. That means alpha and minus alpha both are the solutions. That is alpha and minus alpha are solutions. Okay, and here we know that by allied angle formula. Okay, in the first quadrant all trigonometric functions are the positive, therefore cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi plus theta cos 4 pi plus theta. Okay, cos is positive in a first and fourth quadrant. Okay, here we can write the 2 pi plus theta first. Okay, in the first quadrant, then we know that cos theta by using the periodicity. By using periodicity here, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, and then it is cos 2 pi plus alpha is equal to cos 4 pi plus alpha is equal to cos 6 pi plus alpha, and up to so on. Now cos theta is equal to cos minus alpha, because alpha and minus alpha are the solutions. Therefore we can write cos, this alpha replaced by minus alpha, this alpha replaced by minus alpha, it is cos 4 pi minus alpha, cos 6 pi minus alpha, and so on. Here it is a cos, we know cos is positive in a first and fourth quadrant. Okay, like that 2 pi plus alpha and 2 pi minus alpha, first and fourth. Okay, here alpha and minus alpha are the solutions, therefore cos theta is equal to cos alpha, cos theta is equal to cos of minus alpha, cos minus alpha is also cos alpha, and then theta is equal to, therefore theta is equal to, it is 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, 6 pi plus alpha, and that are alpha and minus alpha are the solutions. See carefully this. It is, in general we can write theta is equal to alpha and it is a minus alpha. Okay, alpha 2 pi plus alpha, 4 pi plus alpha, and so on, and theta is equal to minus alpha, 2 pi minus alpha, 4 pi minus alpha, up to dash. Therefore in general we can write theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha is general solution of this trigonometric equation. Cos theta is equal to cos alpha. See carefully this. Okay, now the third, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha, therefore theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, now here given equation, tan theta is equal to tan alpha, therefore alpha is a solution. Okay, here therefore theta is equal to alpha, alpha is solution. Okay, now here tan theta is equal to tan alpha, we can write it is sin theta upon cos theta is equal to sin alpha upon cos alpha. Okay, then sin theta into cos alpha is equal to cos theta into sin alpha, cross multiplication. Okay, now sin theta into cos alpha minus cos theta into sin alpha is equal to 0, and therefore it is sin theta minus alpha is equal to 0. It is sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and it is equal to 0. Now here we know the sin theta is equal to sin alpha. This gives theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Okay, now here sin theta minus alpha is equal to, it is a sin 0. Okay, here it is a sin 0. Theta, it is a theta minus alpha, and here it is alpha is equal to 0. Then we know that the general solution, it is sin theta is equal to sin alpha. This gives theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha, and therefore here it is, we can write here theta, it is a theta minus alpha is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into 0. That means theta minus alpha is equal to n pi, and then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. It is a general solution of the equation tan theta is equal to tan alpha. See carefully this. Okay. Now here we see the three general solutions. See carefully, it is sin theta is equal to sin alpha. This gives theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into alpha. Then cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This gives theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and last tan theta. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha. This gives theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. It is a solution. Okay, it is solution for the tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay, here we can erase it here. Okay. Now next 3.4, theorem number 3.4. Now here it is a sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Now sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Now here the given equation sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Now to find the solution of this equation, here we use the formula for the sin square theta. Here we use the multiple angle formula. We know the formula for the cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta, it is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then sin square theta is equal to, here 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2 is equal to sin square alpha. It is 1 minus cos 2 alpha is equal upon 2. And now 2 to get cancelled, 1 get cancelled, minus cos 2 theta is equal to minus cos alpha. It is cos 2 alpha is equal to cos 2 theta is equal to cos 2 alpha. And now it is cos theta is equal to cos alpha. It is a general solution. When cos theta is equal to cos alpha, theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here we know that cos theta is equal to cos alpha. This gives theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Here, sorry, it is theta. Here theta replaced by 2 theta and alpha replaced by 2 alpha. Therefore the solution is 2 theta is equal to, see carefully, it is 2n pi plus or minus 2 alpha, and that is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. It is a general solution for sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Same for the cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Theorem number 3.5. Here it is cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. See carefully. Here the given equation cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Again here we use the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta plus, sorry, it is minus 1. Here formula for the multiple angles, and then here it is cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2, and cos square alpha is equal to 1 plus cos 2 alpha upon 2. Upon 2 cancel, 1 get cancel, we get this, and same procedure. Okay, theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Now last, tan. Again same solution. Tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Now here the given that tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Again we know that the formula for the cos 2 theta, it is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. See carefully this. It is a formula. Then here tan square theta equal to tan square alpha. We can write here 1 minus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha. Then dividing throughout by 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 minus and then it is cos 2 theta and it is cos 2 alpha. See carefully, and then the solution theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, now here again the new three formulas. It is sin theta is equal to sin alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Now here it is a sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha. Then the solution is theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha. Then theta is equal to same n pi plus or minus alpha. Then tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Then theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. Okay, here these are the trigonometric formulas. Now it is a general solution. It is a general solution. See carefully. Now the examples of the general solution, it will be discussed in a next lecture.